Hi friends, today we will continue with fourth pari of Japji Sahib. Sacha Sahib Sach Nae Pakhya Pau Apar Akhe Mange De Data Kare Datar. The Lord is truth. Truth is His name. His praises are sung in endless ways. Even while praising, we ask for more and more, and Lord keeps on giving. वह सच्चा साहिब है, उसका नाम सच्चा है, उसकी बोली प्रेम है और उसके गुणगान का कोई अंत नहीं। हम मांगते चले जाते हैं और दाता देता चला जाता है। Here Guru Nanak clarifies, our prayers are just our desires. But do not assume that God is our slave. Rather he says, Sacha Sahib. Sacha means eternal, Sahib means the true master. A desire can never become a prayer. So, the essence of prayer is to thanksgiving. He has already given enough, but mind is never satisfied. देह मांगों का जोड़ है मन. So, to change the whole viewpoint, Nanak gives the idea of gratitude and thanksgiving. फेर की अग्गे रखिए जित दिसे दरबार, मोहों के बोलन बोलिए जित सुन तरे प्यार. What should one offer that his grace is received? In front of his courtyard, all offerings are useless. How should one pray that we may get his grace, his love? What kind of words, language should be used to evoke his love? उसके दरबार में ऐसा क्या रखें? धन्यवाद के लिए हम क्या लाएं? कौन से शब्दों का उपयोग करें? क्या ऐसा करें कि उसका प्यार बरसने लगे? Here Nanak means everything is given by him. If you think to build a temple, a church, then again wealth is also his blessing. If you want to offer flowers, then also it's a futile effort, because flowers are already offered to God by nature in his splendor. You have nothing your own to present in his court. Here he means it's only your ego which you can leave in his feet, or you can present pure love, true love, your gratitude in return of his grace. That means ahobhav. In nutshells, you can never make him delighted by offering material things. He needs your spirit at least. Amrit Vela Sach Naum Vadiaya Vichar. Pray and meditate his glory during the holy hours. Amrit Vela means the hours of prayer at twilight, at dawn. When you wake up in the early morning, early hours, a moment occurs between sleep and waking. At this moment, consciousness changes gear. As you know, when we change a gear in a car, a neutral state comes between two gears. Same happens with our consciousness. This neutral state is best for meditation and prayer. God is near in these early and peaceful hours, because mind is at peace after deep sleep, or say charged with cosmic energy. Body produces nectar. Mind is free from logics, reasoning, worries, and etc. And emptiness is there. All words, languages are useless for a prayer. Meditate or Satnam. Be filled with his true name. Karmi ave kapda nadri mok duar. Karma caused human birth. By his grace, the gate of liberation is found. तब उस घड़ी में तुम जानोगे कि कर्म से शरीर मिलता और कृपा दृष्टि से ही मोक्ष का द्वार खुलता है. In those intense moments, you will know that body is a result of actions of karma. Trivial things can be attained by actions. The vast absolute cannot attain through actions. It happens by non-doing, by being egoless. The more you attained in physical field, means more you become successful in physical world, the more you lost things that are born of non-doer state. So with his grace, doors of liberation open for you. नानक एवें जानिए सब आपे सचियार. Nanak says, know his truth because he is everything. हे नानक, इस तरह यह समझ आता कि पूरे अस्तित्व का मालिक वह अकाल पुरुष है. He is one, all in all is the truth. Everything is his creation. He is complete in himself. He blooms in flowers, chirps in birds. All images, idols created by us are just symbols. He is living in ourselves too. There is no need to create him. Thank you. That is all for today.